Welcome to the magic world of how things are made. Let's find out. In a small, magical town lived Melina, the grandma who knew all the secrets about making the most delicious candies in the world. Melina had a candy shop that glowed with colorful lights and smelled like sugar. One day, Melina decided to share her wisdom with her grandchildren, Lucía and Tomás. They were both curious kids and always loved discovering new things. So Melina invited them to her candy shop to learn how to make candy. It all started when Melina took the kids to the special candy kitchen. "Today, we'll learn how to make candy," said Melina, while the little ones whispered excitedly. Melina showed the children the main ingredients: sugar, water, and vanilla extract. "These are the magic ingredients that will bring our candies to life," she explained. Lucía and Tomás helped measure the sugar with a magic scale that changed colors when the weight was just right. Then, Melina taught them how to heat the mixture in a big pot. She always said that love and patience were the secret ingredients. The children watched in fascination as the sugar slowly melted, changing from solid to liquid, forming wonderful swirls. Then, Melina showed how to add the vanilla extract and a few drops of fruit juice to give the candies a special touch. It was time to stir the mixture with a wooden spoon. Lucía and Tomás took turns stirring, learning that each stir had to be gentle and careful. With the mixture ready, Melina used molds of different shapes, stars, hearts, and animals. After pouring the mixture, Melina told them, "Now, we wait patiently for the candies to cool and be perfect to eat." Meanwhile, they went for a walk through the town streets. When they returned to the house, they saw that they still had to wait a little longer. So Melina decided to entertain them by telling them magical stories about the origin of candy. And how long ago? Finally, the long-awaited moment arrived, and the candies were ready. Lucía and Tomás watched with bright eyes. At that moment, each one took a mold, and Melina showed them how to carefully remove the candies and place them on a tray. Upon tasting their first masterpieces, Lucía exclaimed, "They're wonderful!" while Tomás clapped cheerfully. Melina then called her sister to help her put them in glass jars. "Every candy deserves to be dressed in its own magic," she told them. With the candies ready, Melina explained the importance of sharing and giving away sweets. So the three of them went out to hand out candies among the townspeople, spreading joy with each delivery. At the end of the day, the children returned to their homes, now wise in the art of candy making, promising to repeat the experience. The candies are not just sweets, but also a story of love, patience, and fun that they would share forever. So it was a special day in which Lucía and Tomás learned that making candy is more than mixing ingredients. It's creating magic and unforgettable memories with those you love most. Did you like this video? Subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up, and soon you will be able to see more videos that will teach you many more things.